pocket, but I'm still okay. All I really know is how I feel today. Oh, I got $1 in my pocket. See you and I really wanna rock it. Tryna have some fun with the side.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you saw the title, you know what we're going to be unboxing. Today, we're going to be unboxing the new iPad 8th generation from Apple. So before we begin, this is not mine. I was just given the opportunity to unbox it, just like the MacBook Air we previously unboxed. So yeah, let's get into the video. So this is the 8th generation iPad. It's a 128GB model. It's rose gold. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this came out this year. Here's the box, Apple logo, iPad, Apple logo. Then we have some details on over here. 128, 8th generation Wi-Fi, all of that stuff. So yeah, now let's get into the unboxing. I have my unboxing knife, and we're just gonna go for it. I think that cut. Never mind, it didn't. Okay, I'm good at this, you know. I feel like I'm gonna stab the box by this. Okay, so I'm gonna hold it close. Okay, so I'm gonna put that cover this side. Here we have iPad 8th generation. Let's unbox it now. So I'm opening the case. At least I think I am. Even in the MacBook Air video, I had the same problem. I didn't know if it was coming out. Okay, yeah, I think it is now. God, this takes forever. Yeah, I'm probably gonna speed this up. Okay, so here we have the iPad. Okay, so I'm gonna put this to the side really quickly and take a look at what else we get. So, designed by Apple in California. Here we have the charging brick. This is a really nice charging brick. I feel like this looks like a Google charging brick, Google Pixel 2 charging brick I have. Yeah, that looks familiar. And this is the USB-C to the lightning charger. I mean, again, Apple, if you're gonna go to the effort of putting USB-C, might as well just put USB-C on your iPad. I know they did that for the iPad Air recently. Okay, so please say we get some Apple stickers. Yep, we do get Apple stickers. That's cool. This back inside really quickly. Then let's take a look at the iPad. Okay, this is taking forever. Oh, God. Okay, so here we have the iPad. Now let's take a closer look at it. So now let's take out the seal. Okay, we're gonna be super gentle with this. Okay, that is one clean iPad. Put that to the side. So here we have the iPad. Let's take a closer look at it. So here we have the camera on this side, the home button, camera, Apple logo. Here we have the speakers, and then we have the lightning port over here. Here's a power button, and then the volume rockers. There is a headphone jack, so it's good to see Apple is not completely taking away the headphone jack yet. But let's be honest, they're probably gonna take it out. So yeah. So I turned it on, and now I'm gonna set it up really quickly, and I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so a moment has passed, and I've set up the iPad, even though it's not turned on right now. let's take a look at it again, I guess. So this is the 8th gen again, 128GB model. I don't remember how many, what the megapixel is for the cameras. But yeah, I guess that's it for the iPad. Yeah, I guess that's it for the iPad unboxing. Now to the next part. So I guess that's it for the video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more amazing content like this. If you have any video suggestions, make sure to leave it in the comments and I'll try and do it. I guess that's it. So again, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more amazing content like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Oh, I got $1 in my pocket. See you when I really wanna rock it. Tryna have some fun with the side show. All that really matters is the dance song. Oh, I got